Yes. So I was saying that the poet Mr. Langston, who wants to show how rain adds glory and beauty of everything around us. He explains the water droplets shine when they fall from the sky and they look as they are silver in color or silver bullets. He says that because of rain, our planet gets new life after the harsh summer. Dried grass and pale flowers get shiny color back. You know, the different colors of nature return and light up the land, leaving us in wonder of the beauty of life. That rainbows, the poet says that the rainbows from forms in the sky. The butterflies also spread their wings and begin to fly. It looks like if they have caught the bright colors of the rainbow on the delicate soft wings. The leaves of trees that fall in the autumn grow back, and the splash of raindrops on them makes them as though they are singing. Rain has its impact not only on flora and fauna but also on people. You know, that he tries to say that when you walk down the road, young boys and girls also pass you by happily singing and enjoying the rain. And at the end also he's saying that by talking about the season of spring after rains, after rains the springtime comes in. The arrival of spring is a sign of rebirth and beginning of a fresh life. So as we know, as we all know, it also starts once again because of the rain and the spring. So I can also say this, if I say it in my way, actually if I say it in my way, it's going to be that also we are going to start after the rains in August or September. We'll be starting school, most probably in August, or God bless that we open in August. I want to see you guys and be with you. I'm also getting bored, but I'm at least in touch with you. This new life is coming in. We can take this poem as in contrast to our present life today with this pandemic and corona. I hate that name. So we, in contrast, that a new life is going to begin after this rainy season. Springtime is going to come in, new life. It's going to be a change. Everything is going to be new. We'll be doing the same old job but in a new way. So I can take this as that way. So it's the right time for the poem. And he's contrasting as the river, the silver, what do you say, in the time of silver rain. I can also say that during that time there was a war was happening, this was happening, only there were bullets raining. He's taking those bullets, they keep on falling, machine gun is going on, bombs are blasting, fire is coming out, this color is coming out, red, blue, green, everywhere smoke. So he's also contrasting that the wars have stopped. Those bullets which were showering are changed into silver raindrops of happiness, of water. Now children will be able to play, plants will be able to grow, the weather is going to change, we'll have new leaves, a new beginning, a new life. Life is going to come back to ourselves. So this is also a contrast to that. Okay. And even when we see the rainbow during the rain, we see that this is the part of the line. And the butterflies in time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky. Remember the plant which you planted for me? It was a tulsi plant which you planted. It was drooping down, right? Even during the winter season, if it doesn't get water, its roots gets dried up. So when I asked you that you have given me the tree, you have gifted me the tree, but you have to take care of it. You have to keep that gift alive. So when I saw you guys were busy, so I started watering the plant, and it again, has to sprinkle water on the leaves. The leaves become happy. That's a live thing. A plant is a living thing, right? So it has to get that same effect. When you throw water or you sprinkle water on a plant, it gets happy. It spreads out its wing with the light. It starts making its food again, and this is what happens. So It's again contrast to that, to an example. So this is all about it. Even the butterflies, the butterflies wings, the colors, can match it with they have multicolored wings, they have beautiful color. We don't even try to think. Sometimes we try to catch them and do this and do that, but we don't sit and see the colors of it. Just as the rain stops, you'll see butterflies coming out, during the rainbow time. Butterflies do come out and you can see them, and that's what goes on. So that's how it becomes so happiness. Children running on the road, you're going from the school with your heavy bags, you're walking, you don't want to reach home, you're feeling hungry. Suddenly it starts raining, oh, you are jumping. You throw your bag, open your shirt, and you all become Salman Khan, and you are all dancing in the rain and all happy songs you start. You don't want to reach home then. And just a few seconds before that, you were, I want to go home now, I don't want to be here, it's too hot. And when we see the clouds in the sky, it becomes dark, then we know, oh wow, it's too hot, it's going to, the cool breeze starts, It's a huge, rain is a source of happiness and joy, I guess, as far as my perception is concerned. But yes, it does cause damage sometimes, only if it's more than what is coming through. But yes, we really do have fun, and even plants and trees do have fun, they enjoy. As I said, they're all living things. As down the road we are passing, boys and girls go singing to in tribe of singer, when spring and life are new. So just after that, the rainy season, the spring autumn life starts. After the spring, the autumn is going to come in again. So the spring life is going to come. It's a new life, new beginning, new leaves, everything is new. But in an old, same thing is happening. A tree does not become a new tree, it does not become a plant and again it's born. So that thing is going to keep on growing, but only the things change in a new way. Okay, so we'll keep it till here, and this is the explanation as much as I can give you about this rain. And green, okay, I'll tell you about the first part. In the time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flower lifts their heads, and over all the plain the wonder spreads. Okay, I'll give you an example of our assembly. Fine, great. Where the place, that's field where we have our assembly, the ground. Now suppose we are not there, correct? So there is rains coming on to the dry land. It had got dry during the summertime and we were all not there. And this pandemic, the lockdown is still going on, sorry. Excuse me, I made a mistake. Going on, not down, it's going on. And there's grass growing, So the earth is giving new grass. The auntie is also not there to cut it. So it's growing. So it's happiness, that ground is also happy that they are getting a covering for it, so that whatever water falls, they are going to keep cool. And if the grass is cut away again, it becomes hot. It gets humid. So it's a new life for everything as well. And the plains also, the wonder spreads of the plain are go green. And when you see green, your eyes also feel very good. So it's good for your eyes also. So this is all I can say. And if you have any questions, please jot down and let me know. And you just read through this poem and try to understand. The next class I'll try and solve the question answers for you. I guess that will be better. And stay home, stay safe, and please learn your metaphors and similes and personifications, hyperbole, and alliterations. Those are the things. What is the flowers all about? What's a butterfly? I can tell you, flowers is a personification. It's about a flower. A metaphor is something which you are adding to it. Something, second thing you want to explain, like butterflies in my stomach. Butterflies in my stomach means I'm so uneasy feeling. Butterflies, how they fly. So they don't have a perfect speed or anything. So it's like that. It's a metaphor. And rainbow is alliteration. Again, these are figures of speech. You have to know. I'm telling you from this and before. And the poem is about the beauty of rain, boys and girls singing in the rain, the power of the rain to renew life on earth, the beneficial influence. The power of the rain to renew life on earth is the first. Answer the following after the first after the first reading of the poem. Okay, so this is how the poet makes his poet memorable through the use of words that create sounds, through the use of words that create beautiful pictures or images. That's number two. It creates a beautiful picture and image in our thing when we think about rain. So I've told you these two, and rest you'll do, and I'll come back again and I'll do it for you. So stay home, stay safe, take care, love your parents, and respect them as much as you can. And one special thing I'll tell you: do whatever you want after you do your studies, and don't use anything Chinese. Okay? Bye. See you. God bless.